So you're welcome to this to my YouTube channel again, and the main purpose for this video is to walk you through the benefits of having a business plan. If you are in Nigeria, you will understand that currently there is this application opened by the Youth Investment Fund that is currently the portal is currently open for youth within the age of 18 and 40 to register and to apply for funding, either grants, equity, or the likes. So the purpose of this is to walk you through what are the key benefits of having a business plan and how crafting a well bankable, a resourceful and thoughtful business plan can help you access that fund, because it's a key requirement in the application portal. So why am I doing this again? Let me quickly do a brief introduction again. I'm Shiaki Somi. Right here you are seeing my certificate as a Smedan certified PDSP associate, and this gives me qualifies me to be a national BDSP. So I have been qualified, and this certification cost a lot. When I was doing this certification, it cost me about 250,000 naira to earn this certification. However, I had a scholarship on it, so it of about 100,000, so I was able to pay 150,000 to access the training and become a national BDSP. So this was earlier in the years. You can see in the certificate. So quickly we go to the benefit, and that is for anyone who is a certified BDSP, you should know that, and of course by the Enterprise Development Center as a training institution, so you know it's not ordinary, it's not something that you can easily come by. So I'm glad that you are here, and I want to quickly run you through the benefits of having a business plan. So the number one benefit of having a business plan is a strategic direction. A business plan is a strategic document, and in strategic planning, there are strategic documents that you need to keep in view. One of them is your business plan. So a business plan provides a clear vision and a mission, helping guide decision making and strategic planning. So for every organization, there's a strategy. Strategy is how you want to achieve your goals. What are the plans, the actions, the milestones you want to achieve or you want to overcome, so that you can achieve your business goal. And so strategy means you want to go from point A to point B. So you want to generate $1 million in revenue, for instance. So how do you strategize? What are the mechanisms? What are the things you need to put in place? So a business plan helps you to do that. So it sets a clear vision. You have a vision for your organization, you have a mission, and then it helps guide all those decision making process. Number two is financial forecasting. Financial forecasting, this is one crucial part of your business plan. However, in another video on this YouTube channel, you will have access to a detailed guide, a video guide on how to craft your business plan, how to craft your financial plan, and also budgeting plans, as the case may be. It's well detailed. The videos will be on this channel. They are already being uploaded, so you have them, so you can go through them. You can go to them over and over again. And then of course there is a point where you can buy our templates, the template that can guide you to write your business plan yourself. And of course, when you have access to those templates, we also guide you through. You can also chat us, call us, and then we'll be glad to assist you. And then financial forecasting, that crucial part of your business plan is financials. Your business financial, that is the number, that is where the financial institution is looking at. Why are they going to finance your business? Why are they going to give you that needed funding to expand or to grow or to scale your business? So they want to know your budgeting, the plans, your financial planning, your invoices and all that. So management, how do you want to manage cash flow? And it's also going to be your cash flow statement. So number three is attracting investors. A well-crafted business plan can attract potential investors or lenders or backers or people who want to give you grants to expand your business, showcasing the viability of the business. So one of the key benefits of business plan is it helps you to showcase the viability of your business. That's what the angel investor, the investor, the one who want to be a shareholder in your business, want to see, is this business viable? And so that's what your business plan will help you do, to craft a business plan that is well tailored, that is also shows the viability of your business. So again, risk management in every business, there is always risk, and so your business plan also, well crafted business plan, direct you around this area. It helps you to bring your risk to reality. It helps you to be risk, not to be risk, to mitigate risk. It makes you think, of course, have a deep think, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years from now. For example, you can have a policy risk. Let's say the government open a portal for you to begin to import something in the next 2 years. Another government might come in and say, no, we don't want to import again, we don't want to import. Did you get that policy? It's a risk to your business. So it helps identify potential risk and provide strategies for mitigating them. In your risk management plan, in the business plan, you'll be able to analyze all of that. Again, then finally, this is just about five. So there are many benefits of business plan, but because of time, and then because we're trying to maximize our online space, yeah. So performance monitoring, business sets benchmarks. Of course, in your business plan, you have what you call milestones, achievable step-by-step progress of how you want to move your business from the stage 1 to stage 4 or to stage 5 of whatever business you have, or whatever stages you have set, or in phases you have set your business into. So business sets a benchmark and goals, allowing for regular performance assessments, even an adjustment. So that is what it is in performance monitoring. Okay, so thank you. So there's a link in this in the description that takes you to how you can download our tailored, well crafted business plan template and financial plan template that guides you through. So you can also see the videos in this YouTube channel. Thank you. Until I see you again in the next channel, in the next video rather.